Hey, Natalie Hickson from Strive for Progress. How are you doing, Mama? Okay, so if you're here, you're looking for some more productivity tips for your business. I've got just the tips for you, but first, how are things going? If you've been following along the Time Rich Mama series, by now you've got goals, to-do lists, routines, you're overcoming challenges, and you have a meal plan. If you've missed any of that, go ahead and check out the links or just go to the blog at striveforprogress.com/blog and you'll find all of those great tips and information videos there for you. So today we're talking about productivity in your business. I've got 5 tips for you to meet your deadlines, hit your goals, and tackle the project management in your business. You have limited time as a work-at-home mom to get the projects done that you need to do. You need a project management system that works and actually helps you get stuff done when you have time to get it done. It's not really a matter of when you can work, it's usually a matter of being highly productive when you get the time to work. Even if it's 5 minutes to 2 hours, you want that time to be super productive. So here's my 5 tips to help you make that time productive. So the first step is make a project list. What are all the projects that you need to do to hit the goals in your business? Step 2, pick 1 to 2 of those projects that you need to get done this week to move you closer to your goal. Step 3, work on 1 to 3 of those things every day to work on that project to get it done that week. Add those 1 to 3 things to your to-do list. Step 5, see yourself making progress and getting projects done in your business. Boom! You're getting your projects done. You're hitting your goals. You're making progress in your business. With the simple 5 tips I just gave you, I want to give you one bonus tip. I use a project management system called Basecamp. I love Basecamp. With this video, I have a link to a blog post where I show you how I use Basecamp. Basecamp is awesome because I sit down to work and I open it up and I know exactly what to work on during the time that I have to work. One other thing I like to use is time batching, where you set up a certain amount of time to work on a project and get it done. I also have a blog post called How to Keep Your Kids Busy So You Can Work, and that link is with this blog post as well. So that also can give you some time to get some projects done. And listen, when it comes to business, failing is succeeding. Sometimes it's so hard to feel like we're getting anywhere when things don't go right, when we have challenges in our business, when we feel like we're failing or we did have a failure. Those are things that you need to look at to draw yourself closer to God, to help you be stronger and know where you can take your next steps. Failures aren't problems and bad things. Failures help you move forward and know where to go next time and how to proceed. They're awesome, so don't feel bad if you have any failures. Just know that every failure is one more step to your success. The last 8 weeks have been so much fun. We've done everything from goal setting, to-do lists, overcoming challenges, making meal plans, organizing the house, and now being productive in our businesses. So I want to hear how things are going for you. Please comment below and let me know, how are things going? How is the Time Rich Mama series for you? Did it help you? In what ways did it help you? And even better, show me your beautiful smiling selfies, your Time Rich Mama selfies on Instagram. Upload a picture, tag me at Natalie Hickson, and use the hashtag TimeRichMama. And let me know that you're out there and happy and feeling better and feeling like you're making progress. Also, we have a fantastic group of women in the Time Rich Mama Facebook group. It's free to join. There's a button below. Click it and join and get encouragement and support daily. I can't wait to get to know you better. I look forward to seeing you in the group, and I hope you have a fantastic week. Bye!
It's a beautiful day.